Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with a brand new benchmark. Today we'll be testing out WWE 2K14 for the PS3. That's right, we're testing out the RPCS3 emulator once again today. Today we'll be running on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. As you can see with all the settings, I am leaving it on default because the whole basis of my channel is to see if we can even get the games to run to begin with. So right off the bat I can tell you this is probably a no. But we'll see what happens in a second. I'm just gonna have one single little match and we're gonna see. I tested this out on the RPCS3 emulator before, well, the Xenia emulator. Now I'll do it on the RPCS3 and see if that one works. I'm gonna go with no after I saw that because I sat there for a minute and then it completely played just like the preview matches and it didn't end well. Now this is the first time I'm actually launching the game, so keep that in mind as well. Obviously, so there will be a bit of compiling shares, although I don't think that that's really going to be an issue considering the game doesn't seem that playable on this setup. I hate when I see my CPU at over 80%. That's just crazy. Okay, so the shaders are definitely not there. Oh, it's not as bad as I thought it'd be, to be honest. But it's definitely not, you know, not the best.
John Cena's the face of WWE. He's the franchise.
Now, because I'm actually using
his time
this isn't going to be playable for me, unfortunately. This isn't looking great, guys.
Oh, good Lord.
Because the CPU has an 80%. Boy, that is loud, ain't it? That is loud. I don't know if you guys can hear me. That is loud. Better. I'm not sure if, but the thing about it is the funny thing is if it crashes, even if it crashes, at least I still have it because I'm recording off of a different hard setup. So this is being recorded off of a capture card, so this is how the game will actually play on this setup. The A7 is struggling right now, as you can see, and it's not doing great. Definitely not something I would say is playable on here. I wouldn't recommend it. The only reason I'm actually keeping it so long is because well, it's not hitting at 90%, but holy crap, it's starting to flicker now. So I probably will end this video shortly. Yeah, WWE 2K14 on this setup, not playable, guys. So if you have anything lower end, no, don't try. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I just do these short little videos to show you guys how the games will perform on them. This is not one of the better ones. This is going to crash in a second on my face. I'll see you guys next time. Also, you can just comment, give me a comment if you want to see me play some other game that probably will work a bit better than this one. You do that. Yeah, do that. I don't know why I do these things. I mean, the more definitive edition is you can definitely play it on the Xenia emulator. It played a lot better on there. Definitely a lot better. This here is definitely an issue. Here is questionable. Very questionable here. Once again, hate when I see my CPU at 80%. Hate it because it crashes. But I'll see you guys next time. I don't know why I continue saying that over and over, but keep going.
Can you believe that impact?